Hi everybody. Okay, so I'm in Washington, D.C. right now. Driving from New York City to Charlotte, North Carolina, which is going to be the new homestead. So I was living in New York City for almost 2 years. I'm moving down to Charlotte, North Carolina, still staying on the East Coast. Okay, so I just have to let you know that this video is a long time coming. The move happened in January, like early January. So this is definitely a long time coming. Sorry about that, sorry for the delay. The movers have all the stuff from the apartment, which you saw, I think, in my apartment tour, and they're taking it all down to Charlotte. I'm on the way down there as well, but I'm staying at the Viceroy Hotel in downtown DC. I've never really spent a bunch of time here, but the hotel is pretty nice. There's a coffee bar downstairs, there's a Christmas tree downstairs still, which I'm really excited about. It's a pretty hotel. DC has been very interesting. So there's tons and tons of snow on the ground. Starting the drive from New York City, there was a snow watch advisory, winter advisory in DC, and then I was following the radar along the route, and wouldn't you know it that the radar was showing snow along the exact same route that was going toward DC. So I was just like watching it, intensely watching it. My parents were kind of worried about the driving down there. So, but the movers moved things. They came to the apartment at like 10 o'clock, moved things, got things in the truck at around 10 or around 2, and then that's when the drive started to DC. And by then, all the snow had stopped. There was no snow that came down the whole ride from New York City to DC. The entrance into DC, though, there was snow on the ground, a little snow in the streets as well, but it wasn't anything bad like what happened in like Virginia and all those other places where people got stranded overnight. I can't even imagine that. But yeah, I'm here in DC. Yeah, anyway, here in DC, like I said, tons of snow on the ground at night. I think it's melting a little bit right now. It's this morning it was definitely melting. I think tomorrow I'm going to be starting the drive, the 7.5 hour drive or so to Charlotte from DC. So that's going to be a trek. It's going to be a journey. So I'm looking forward to that. I'll do some vlogging for that, and then I can show you around the new place in Charlotte. But anyway, what else happened that I should talk about? This is the hotel. I don't know if you can see, but the bathroom's pretty nice. I like the shower. The shower is closed off, so you have a lot of steam and heat being trapped in there, which I really enjoy. It's a free sauna, what can I tell you? Nice sink. I did a little bit of walking around tonight in DC, saw Chinatown. Saw a bunch of snow. I think I definitely would come back here to DC probably in late spring, early summer before it gets too hot. I hear that it gets really humid here, so I don't know if I would want to make the journey here for hot, humid weather with angry people. I assume people would be not happy in the city if the weather conditions like that. Oh, I got my eyebrows waxed today at European Wax Center. I don't know if people still do that. Some people tell me to do threading, which is probably better for the skin versus having like hot wax and ripping dead skin cells off your face. I mean, it's definitely exfoliating, right? But yeah, as soon as I got out of European Wax Center, I walked straight into like the 40-degree weather. So I feel like that helped to reduce inflammation. I feel like just cold as well as a little pressure after the waxing helps to just reduce pain, inflammation on the skin. I'm also applying some moisturizer. Definitely apply moisturizer if you're waxing your skin. That's going to be very helpful in helping to just sort of restore the moisture barrier after it's been basically depleted and wiped and ripped away. Yeah, moisturizer, maybe probably add a serum to like a hydrating booster serum, or just maybe like an antioxidant or green tea serum underneath that moisturizer, just boost that overall moisturizing capabilities. Definitely a good tip for when you have anything waxed, definitely moisturize, and also apply sunscreen, especially if it's in areas that are exposed to the sun, because your skin is a little bit more vulnerable after any type of procedure. So sunscreen is a must. Anyway, it is 10 o'clock or so, or actually it might be close to 11, and I had to wake up like at 6 or 6:30 tomorrow to start the drive to Charlotte, North Carolina. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower, get my sunscreen off, go to bed, try to get some sleep, and I will see you tomorrow. So I just went to the Whole Foods it was about a 5-minute walk from the hotel. I went to the hot bar and salad bar to get some lunch. I got a smattering of things. I got it was called the Mom's Chicken Soup. I don't think it has noodles or anything in here. So since it's 32 degrees outside, I thought a hot soup would be ideal. And then I also got some veggies. I have some vitamin C rich peppers, red and green peppers, as well as raw broccoli and cauliflower, which I love. Vitamin C is really good for, supposedly good for collagen synthesis in the skin, as well as various other biological things that occur in the body. So that's my cold food. And I also got some hot, I saw these, when I was about to go check out, I saw these mushrooms, these Chinese style mushrooms is what they were called, and hot green beans. I'm really looking forward to that. I love mushrooms. They're like one of my favorite. I don't even know if they're classified as vegetables, but like plant-based foods I really love. Love mushrooms. And I have my New York breakfast tea that I got downstairs at the coffee bar in the hotel. Hi all. Okay, so I made it to Charlotte. The drive wasn't too bad. I mean, it was 7 hours, so it was quite the trek, but here's my setup with all my skincare items on the counter right now. You can see it just scattered everywhere. But yeah, the drive wasn't too bad. We didn't really hit a lot of snow. There was no snow on the roads, thankfully. And yeah, I came here. We're in Charlotte now, finally in the place that I can feel a little bit more settled, just waiting on the furniture. I think the furniture should be here by like the 14th, which is at max a week away. So I'm just gonna be here in a hotel room until the furniture arrives. I think it's being stored in New Jersey and they're coming down from there. Not sure when that's gonna be just yet. So very excited to finally just be here out of New York, be here in a more sane, relaxed, laid back city. Yeah, but the hotel is pretty nice. So the hotel is actually attached it's all in the same complex. It's attached to the new apartment building, which I can give you a tour of in a subsequent video, but it's like attached to that and some like retail spaces. And it's a fairly nice area. I really like this hotel especially, or particularly. But the only thing that I don't necessarily like about hotels like this is that it doesn't give you a lot of privacy. I'm sorry, that was such a mess right there. It doesn't give you a lot of privacy. I mean, there's like, you have the bedroom right here and then it goes right into the bathroom and the shower and the water closet. Good thing is the doors are like frosted glass, so you can't really see in. But yeah, not a lot of privacy. And I do have a mess going on right here. I need to like get that under control quick. Okay, as promised, here is the empty apartment tour. So it's a little bit echoey in here because the furniture hasn't arrived yet. The furniture is being driven down from New Jersey to North Carolina, but here is the front door. I think the front door works with like a key fob. So you just like use the key fob and then you lock it from the outside. But anyway, this is the entrance to this is like the hallway entrance into the kitchen and the living room. Got a utility closet right there. This is amazing because it's a lot of natural light, which I'm not really a fan of, but it is very pretty. Like I don't like all the sunlight coming through, streaming through here, but it is very pretty. I like the floor to ceiling windows in the living room. But in the hallway, there's also, I feel like a realtor or a real estate agent, but this is the pantry. If you remember back to my New York apartment, the pantry was, my New York apartment tour, the pantry was like very shallow shelves. These are very deep, wide shelving units. I went to Sprouts like the first day I got here and got a few like healthy, quote unquote, snack options like paleo, keto, snack options, chocolates, things like that. So that's the pantry. Also in the hallway, we have the Nest thermostat. I think I might actually turn it up to 72. Yes, okay. Because it is a little chilly, a little nippy in here. Here is the kitchen. This is gonna be a lot easier to clean. The thing I like about this one is that it's just like a smooth surface, the stove. So it's gonna be a lot easier to clean versus the other stove, which was in New York, which was like the gas, and it had the gates or the guards on it that you had to lift up and clean. Also, the good thing about this compared to the New York apartment is that there is a garbage disposal, which is awesome. Now here is a wine cooler, I think that's what it's called, but what I did was I just like filled it up with a bunch of different Zevias, which I thought was clever. I still have like one more. Here's like tonic water, Zevia tonic water. I don't like mix things, but I could, I found like some drinks that just use like tonic water and stevia, a little bit of stevia or maple syrup with like lemon juice or lime juice. So I might try my hand at that. I don't know what that really tastes like, but I still have one more shelf that I think might put like kombuchas or something on. Also, here is the closet right here in the living room. It's actually the washer and dryer units. The thing that I like about this compared with the New York apartment is that the washer and dryer units, in my New York apartment, the washer and dryer was like one on top of another in a closet in my office or in the den. So it was a little bit less convenient. This is a lot more convenient because it's just right here, and it's also bigger units too. So I can fit a lot more clothes in here, so that's nice. And it's actually like a closet that I can store a lot more in, so awesome. And again, here's the living room. Oh, I'm shaking because I'm just using one hand, but here's the living room. Lots of natural light, which is awesome. There's a balcony out there I can take you to. Here's the dining room area, but here's the balcony. I need to get, it's still winter right now, but I need to get some like patio furniture for the spring and the summer. Okay, so I guess here is a bedroom. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath. So this is one of the bedrooms. This might just end up being the office. And it goes into one of the bathrooms. There I am. And there's a walk-in closet. There's a walk-in shower. I can't really get like too far back, but okay. There's a walk-in shower, the walk-in closet. I already have some stuff in there. Goes back into the kitchen, walking through into the dining room. Here is going to be the main bedroom. So I keep shocking myself on everything in this apartment, but it looks out, the main bedroom looks out over this community area. There's like a fire pit out there, and there's also like cornhole games out there on this fake lawn grass. But I wonder what this is going to be like in the spring and the summer. I wonder if it's going to be rowdy. But yeah, this is going to be the main bedroom. Here's another bathroom, 2 sinks, bathtub. I think the other bathroom I'm going to use as, oh, shiny. I have the Elta MD SPF 30 on right now, so it's very shiny. SPF 30 plus, very shiny and very white, which is, okay, I don't know. It's protecting me, okay? So let's just leave it at that. But yeah, I have a little bit in here already just decorating, even though my furniture is in here. I have the hand soap, a nice candle I got for Christmas. Yeah, I think the other bathroom with the walk-in shower, I'll probably use more so than the bathtub. I'll probably use this room as like my spa days, which I plan on doing like every Friday. I'll show you that later. But here is the walk-in closet. This will probably be where all the clothes will be, but the thing I like about these walk-in closets is that there's also these shelving units, which are great for just storing shoes. I didn't really have that in the New York apartment, in the last apartment, because all the shoes are just like on the floor in a closet or something. So it wasn't very ideal, I guess. But yeah, that's the apartment tour. I did it in a little over 6 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. But the furniture should be getting here sometime today. They drove from New Jersey yesterday, and that's where the furniture was being stored. And it's all the furniture, the same furniture that I had in the New York place. And yeah, movers are driving it down now. I think they're already in Charlotte right now. So they're gonna get here sometime between 11 and 12, move all the furniture in, and then we'll go from there. I can show you it all decked out. I hope you're having a good day or weekend or wherever it is that you are in the week, and I will see you in a future video. Please hit the like button if you like this video, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.